But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
Action!
Yeah! Hello everyone, and this is
Welcome to
the Chloe and Caleb Show.
Hi guys! Say hi!
Hi!
Hi Caleb!
And look on the back.
What are we doing today? What are we doing today?
Shopkins!
Wow!
And not only me, I'm opening it. My brother's gonna help me. And we're really excited, and we got a package, and we hope so. There's gonna be a package in here, and there's gonna be one regular one. We have two packages. We got the one that's right over here.
Okay,
So
let's get to unboxing.
Okay, come on, Caleb. We have to open it. Okay. Don't forget these are mommy's. Unbox. Yeah. Opening the bar. This is series 4.
Oh wow! Can't wait.
Just leave it, okay? Just leave it how it is. I'm gonna take out these guys.
Gotta hold it up for me, okay?
Oh my gosh, this is so exciting!
A few moments later.
My bandage fell off.
That's okay. Take it off. I'll put a new one on you.
Wait,
Leave it off.
it's better.
Okay. Come on, let's get on with the video.
Okay. So,
Which ones do you guys have? And where's your checklist?
so where's our checklist? So where's your... Okay, let me take out the blind box and I'll open it up. So everyone can see the exciting part. Yeah.
Wow, Caleb's going to work taking all those out. Good job, Caleb.
It's hard. Yeah. Oh, that's why. There we go. Take this out. Please get off. Shopkins. Wow. Get these out. So hard. Mom, can you help? Can you help? I can't reach. There you go.
Where's the checklist?
It's in there. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. So we're going to show you the checklist. So this is the checklist, and behind it, there's more, and there's a lot of packets. There's a lot. Just saying. Look how many packets there is.
Those are not only pet cans, those are Shopkins.
I know. Ooh.
All right, so tell me which ones we got.
So, did you open this? Oh, yeah, you did. Yeah. Yes. Oh!
Who did you get?
Oh, we got a clock packets! Let me get my scissors. You get my scissors. Okay, we'll get both of our scissors. I want to open up the packets, okay? Let me open up.
Let him open one, and you open one, Chloe.
Okay.
Get one, Caleb. Be careful, okay? Don't cut yourself.
We got a crab. Got a crab. And we got a telephone packet. So there. No, it's not a telephone. I mean clock packets.
Show it on your hand so we can see it when you get it out. No, you know how they always show it on the videos?
Yeah.
Show it like that.
So
And your apron fell off, too.
it's okay. It's okay.
It's not okay.
Okay. So gonna put this all over up.
Are they cute? I can't even see them.
These are super cute. Series 4. We got 3 packets.
Show us on.
So we got a look. I'll give it a closer look. Whoa! So,
Caleb, go get
got
that.
this one. I got cakey, looky.
Show me in your finger.
Look, she's sparkly. But this one is sparkly.
Chloe, put it behind your hand, like how they do it. Like they put it like this. No, they put their hand up and then they put it like in their hand. Okay, not like that. I can't see it. Put it in the palm of your hand right here. Put your hand up and then put it right here and hold it. Hold it with your other hand. You see how they do it on the videos? Do it like that so I can see it. Okay. What's that one called?
Let me see. Got this one right here. What's its name?
Let me see. Which one?
Its name is...
Show me which one. I don't know.
It's this one.
His name is Waggy Tails. He's a dog.
Ooh, Waggy Tails.
Let's see. Let me see if I can show you guys.
Get a balloon. We got a balloon. Let me take out the balloon. We got the balloon from the party section.
Waggy Tails.
So we got
And this one?
balloony balloon.
Oh, it's a goldfish. Which one is this?
Scissors are coming. Nope. Don't use the scissors, Caleb. You're gonna cut it. You got another package. I'm cutting the tape.
Which one is this? I can't find this one.
I will.
It's really cute though. It looks like it's a goldfish. It's a
But
goldfish.
Shopkins fell off. Get the Shopkins that are on the floor.
Get that pink one, Caleb.
Get the pink one. You get the one. Okay.
Why don't you guys open them all up and I will find the names.
Ooh, we got a shoe. We got a shoe.
Okay, put them right here in the line.
Okay, so yes. And we do have a really special one. We have a Valentine's set.
Oh.
And
Caleb,
tops.
what are you doing, bud?
Tops. I do open this stockings. So there's those. There's just 1, 2 stockings left.
Okay, ask Chloe to help you. There's one on the table, Caleb.
One on the table. Come.
Next to your hand, Caleb.
It looks like it's going well. You might have saw the video that we made that we had a cake.
Oh, those. You got a milk bottle.
A milk. Ah! This is almost like ice cream cake.
Very
Mommy,
cool.
I think the cake is ready.
Okay, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you for unboxing. Say please subscribe to our channel.
Please subscribe to our channel. We'll see
Caleb.
you next time.
Bye. Give me a wave, Caleb. Give me a wave. Wave your hands. Bye-bye, everybody.
Okay, let's see our video. Okay.